Southwest Auto Salvage. It's the closest junkyard to me. And then this is the import corner. It's tiny, but you got plenty of parts here, so that's why I come here. Don't bottom out. Okay, we're good. So yeah, 96 frickin' degrees. Let's go see if they'll sell me some shit. Shit, would you look at that? We got a 1UZ at the junkyard. What is this? Oh no, this is probably a 2UZ, so this is probably... Yeah, this is a 2UZ. Oh shit, look at this though. That's freaking aluminum. Is it the same size? Oh no, it's different. It's got 3 bolts. Damn, that would have been sick. But yeah, they got a 2UZ here. This is probably an LX470 or a Sequoia maybe? Can't tell. It's probably a Sequoia, I think. But yeah, they let me in. They're not actually open, but they let me in. But that's pretty dope. I wonder if I can take that intake. I wonder if that intake fits. Alright, let's keep looking. Need an old Toyota. That's practically a new battery. Same one I have in my car. Just get this brake fluid off. Alright, let's go look around for some more. See what we can find. I love walking around junkyards. Fucking Jaguar? I think it is a Jaguar. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a Jaguar. Does that look like a Jaguar to you? Yeah, XF. Damn. Who wants a Jaguar V8? It's absolute trash, I bet. What else we got? Bunch of crap. Bunch of Hondas. Where they belong. Just trying to find some cool shit. Prius? Yeah, Prius. I think you can use the electric power steering off of that. What else we got? BMW? Motor's probably seized. Wow, this actually doesn't look that bad. Someone put a rug over it so it wouldn't get rained on. This is not bad. I bet Kurt would enjoy this. He has the same car, I think. Is this an E39? I think it is an E39. No, this is newer. This is a... I don't know what it is. This is newer though. Volkswagen. Dude, another Jaguar. What the hell? Why are there so many Jags? I'm probably stepping in so much poison ivy right now. What is this one? Oh, it's the same car. Another Jaguar. Yep, another V8. Not bad. Let's see. It starts pretty big, so let's go check out the other side. Oh, I'm sweating like a pig. Alright. I'm done pulling parts. Let's see what they got. Holy shit. What the fuck? Look at this oldie. God damn. That's fucking sick. Damn, dude. That's freaking tight. What else we got? There used to be an SC here. Wait. This is the 4-point. Ooh. Damn it, the coils are gone. Oh shit, those are still here. Those are good coils. For doing an coil and plug conversion on an SC. Or 1UZ or whatever. But as you saw, 4 are missing. Got a Land Rover, another Prius, Camry, Mark III Golf? Mark III? I'm not sure. I got sweat in my eye. Oh, fuck. Another Beamer, E39. Scion TC. Oh shit, look at that 300ZX. Pretty cool. Not bad. Yeah, dude, this yard's sick. You got all sorts of crazy shit in here. Dude, look at this fucking Beetle! Holy crap. Yo, I want to buy it just to restore it. That is so tight. It's a fucking classic Beetle, dude. With 2 hoods. Holy fuck. It's pretty rusty, but look at the shock, dude. Completely split. Yo, that is so tight. Another Jag, dude. Why are there so many Jags here? Straight 4? Or ooh, Celica. This one should have the brake lines too, but I don't need any more. Oh no. This is a fancy one that has ABS. Okay, Mr. Fancy Celica. Dude, another Jag. There are so many Jaguars here. It's kind of weird. Freaking Jag after Jag after Jag. Imagine if this was the V12. That'd be tight. What else we got going on? Another E39. Oh, fuck! It's got the V8 in it. I wonder if it's any good. So this is a 540i. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, look at that. I forget what these are called. Like a mini truck. What are these called? I know Suzuki's a Samurai, but what is this company called? Won't pass emissions. Who gives a fuck? You don't need to pass emissions anymore. Got an Echo in there. Could get a brake line thing off of. Dude, there's a GS. This thing's stripped and nothing left. Cool. I think we're done here. I don't see anything else. Everything over there is kind of like, you know, really scrap. Like nothing left. So yeah. That's the junkyard I hit up. Ooh, Volvo. That's pretty new. Oh wow, that had a fire. What else we got? That's about it.
America, America. Do you have your passport?